Hold it.
Hold it. Okay.
Just fucking hold it.
Alright. We're gonna watch all these fucking houses.
Okay.
Start here.
Everybody wants to see all the brand new fucking houses. They're not brand new houses. They're old as mine.
But they're all done.
But they're all fixed. Brand new paint, roof, windows, steps, you name it. This house, that's my house. That's Andrew's house, Geraldine's house. Francis. You guys want to see the whole neighborhood? New roof, new roof, new roof, new roof. Every single house has a new roof on this fucking street. Every fucking one. Look at that. Brand new roof. I'll drive down the other streets in a minute. That's new.
Yeah.
Brand new roof. Look at this. New roof, new siding, new fucking everything. New everything. New roof, new paint, new everything. Same fucking thing. Blah. All of them. Every fucking house is fixed, man. Egala, pitabile roof up la. Jeffrey Paul Millicent, he can fucking cover his own shit if he wanted to. But this is a wrap. That's a wrap. This is a wrap, man. You fucking tell me they ain't fixing anything around here? Fucking waste. Whatever this is, they could have fixed my house probably building that fucking piece of shit. Cocksucker sick. Drive back up. You guys want to see the brand new fucking roofs, new paint jobs, new step, every fucking house. Every motherfucking house, guys. Egala. New roof, new siding, new roof, new roof, new roof. New roof over there too. Gabo laid up all day we go. They don't fucking help Gabo either.
Nope.
Everything looks good. Except, let's drive up. Let's look at my house. And imagine inside too. The insides are getting fixed, not just the fucking outsides. They're getting new flooring, new bathrooms, new bathtubs. The whole fucking works. Man. Oh my god. Look at this shit. I bought those fucking rain gutters. First fucking year the store blew them off. These trees, I had to have them trimmed twice, geese. My boxwood hedge, this was supposed to go all the way around. God ruin the water must see. Can't fucking have nothing nice on the goddamn res. This side was siglegalum sitla bodig Gigel. These shingles are fucked. Where my power box and everything is. That's all falling apart. But siglega, it's all rotten. Siglega. 1980s, kisi da sigop house la 86 I think. 1986. Look at that fucking shit. Grass or mold, something fucking growing there.